Mummy's going to draw a triangle. There we go. Here. Here. Oh, there. Okay, we need a bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, interesting thing about this is that there are 1, 2, 3 here, and they make a triangle, right? We can make a little triangle out of this. Here, darling, thank you. Here we go, if we do that. Here, that big girls. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We can make a triangle out of that as well. Yeah?